All right, guys, today we're going to do some writing piecewise functions. So for writing piecewise functions, I'm going to start with the rules, and then I'm going to do the wins. Okay, so if I start with something like this, a couple of things are going to happen here. The first thing that's going to happen is I notice where it connects is a closed circle, where it starts is a closed circle, and where it ends is a closed circle. So that means that all of my wins are going to be or equals to. So that's irrelevant for what I'm doing right now. First, I'm going to find the rules. So to find this, it's a line. I'm just going to look at the slope. The slope is up 1 over 5. So that's going to be 1 over 5 times x, because it has a slope of 1 over 5. And then I'm going to go plus the y-intercept, which this one has a y-intercept of 0, so plus 0. So pretty simple. Next one, I'm going to do the slope. It goes up 4 over 2. 4 over 2 is just 2x. And then on this one, I actually have to figure out what the y-intercept is because I can't see it on here. So it goes, it has a slope of 2. So I'm going to go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1 until I hit the y-axis. So that's going to be my y-intercept, which is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to go minus 7. Now I'm going to do the wins. Win. On my x's, this is an x of 0. So it goes from 0. I need more room. So I'm going to rewrite this. F of x equals 1/5 x plus 0 and 2x minus 7. When what happens? This goes from 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to, because this is a closed dot. Where is that on the x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This line also starts at 5, less than or equal to, because it's a closed dot, and it's going to end at 6, 7. So less than or equal to 7. So that's how I'm writing them out. I'm just finding the equation of the line, and then I'm looking at my x's for my win. Do another example. Okay, so I got this guy right here, so I'm going to start with my rules. This one's a flat line. It doesn't even have a slope, but it would have a y-intercept of 3. In other words, this line is always 3. So it's going to be f of x equals 3. No x's in there. This one has a slope of up 3 over 1. So I'm going to go 3x plus a y-intercept of, it doesn't show it to me. I'm going to have to go up 3 and over 1. So it's going to be right here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this one's actually going down, so it's going to have a negative slope. Goes down 2 over 1. So it's going to be negative 2x. It does have the y-intercept right here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So plus 7. Now I'm going to do my wins. This one on my x goes from here to here, which is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 8. When it's a line, meaning there are no dots in there, it's going to be or equals 2 every time on all of these. This is at negative 3, which means this one starts at negative 3 and goes to right here, which is negative 1. This one starts at negative 1 and goes to right here at 2. But that's it. That's all that we're doing. Should be fairly simple. We're just going to write the functions from the graphs.